I bet you didn't know how easy it could be to create enchanting Christmas stories for your kids. Well, buckle up, because MagicNoel is here to make it happen. MagicNoel is your ultimate toolkit for creating captivating children's video stories this holiday season. Imagine a vast library of ready-made, vibrant, animated tales that you can edit, rebrand, and call your own. Each video is crafted with high-quality visuals and enchanting animations that will mesmerize your little one. And the best part, these stories impart positive lessons, making screen time both fun and educational. But here's the magic touch. With MagicNoel, you get private label rights. That means you can resell these videos and keep 100% of the profits. It's a golden opportunity to tap into the booming children's entertainment market, projected to hit $22.5 billion by 2032. Setting up is a breeze. Just log in, pick a template, rebrand it, and you're ready to profit. No complex software needed. Plus, there's a 30-day money-back guarantee, making it a risk-free investment. So why wait? Click the link in the description to explore MagicNoel and start spreading the holiday magic today. Don't forget to subscribe for more exciting reviews. Thanks for watching.